Hey there! Would you like to get this free ebook, Stop Dieting, Start Living Light? It's super easy.
Just watch this video all the way to the end, tap the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel.
Then click the link below and fill out a quick form, and you'll soon receive your free ebook directly in your email. By doing this, you're helping our community grow and share science-based wellness with more people. Thank you for being part of Health and Wellness for All.
You may not see it, but it could be the reason you feel tired, bloated, or stuck, even when you're eating healthy. I'm talking about visceral fat, that deep, hidden fat that wraps around your organs like your liver, stomach, and intestines. It's not just a number on the scale. It's a silent threat that messes with your hormones, increases inflammation, and raises your risk for heart disease and diabetes. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or extreme diets to fight it. Nature already gave you the tools, and today I'll show you 10 foods you should eat every single day to help burn visceral fat, heal your metabolism, and feel lighter from the inside out. Let's begin. Every war starts with strategy, and your first battle begins at breakfast. Instead of sugary cereals or white bread, start your day with a bowl of whole oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that slows down digestion, keeps you full longer, and stabilizes your blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar stays steady, your insulin, the hormone responsible for storing fat, stays balanced too. And here's something fascinating. People who eat oats regularly tend to have smaller waistlines and lower visceral fat levels. Add some cinnamon or chia seeds for an extra anti-inflammatory punch. This one small change at breakfast can literally change how your body stores fat. Next up are berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Don't let their sweetness fool you. These little gems are low in sugar and packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress inside your fat cells. Visceral fat thrives in an inflamed environment, but berries help cool that internal fire. They also improve your gut microbiome, and a healthy gut is essential for regulating metabolism and controlling cravings. Try adding a handful of berries to your oats or smoothie each morning. It's a small habit that delivers big long-term rewards. When your liver works efficiently, your body burns fat efficiently. That's where leafy greens come in. Kale, spinach, collard greens, arugula, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are low in calories, but high in magnesium, folate, and chlorophyll, nutrients that support your liver's detox process and balance your hormones. They're also alkaline, which helps neutralize the acidity caused by processed foods and stress. Visceral fat often builds up when your body feels overwhelmed. Too much sugar, too little sleep, too many toxins. Adding a plate of greens daily helps your system recover and function like it's supposed to. You can toss them in salads, blend them into smoothies, or saute them lightly with olive oil. The key is consistency, every day. Now let's talk about something most people underestimate: beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Legumes are one of the most powerful fat-fighting foods on Earth. They're rich in plant-based protein and resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion and feeds your healthy gut bacteria instead. When these bacteria thrive, they release short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve fat metabolism. Plus, legumes keep you full, help you eat fewer calories, and regulate insulin, the ultimate combination against visceral fat. If you're trying to slim your waistline, make legumes a part of your lunch or dinner every single day. A cup of lentil soup or chickpea salad is all it takes. Visceral fat isn't just about calories, it's about inflammation. And that's where omega-3 fatty acids come to your rescue. Fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are packed with these anti-inflammatory fats. They help lower triglycerides, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the expression of genes linked to fat storage around your organs. Think of omega-3s as tiny peacekeepers inside your body, calming inflammation, balancing hormones, and helping your cells burn energy more efficiently. Aim for at least 2 to 3 servings per week, or add a small portion daily if you can. If you don't eat fish, algae-based omega-3 supplements are a good alternative. Forget the myth that all fats are bad. Healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil, can actually help you burn more fat, including the visceral kind. Olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that enhance your body's ability to use fat as fuel instead of storing it. It also reduces inflammation in your arteries and supports heart health. Studies show that people who follow a Mediterranean-style diet rich in olive oil have significantly lower visceral fat levels than those who avoid fats altogether. Use it raw as a dressing, drizzle over vegetables, or cook lightly. And remember, cold-pressed extra virgin is the best choice. If olive oil is the liquid gold, then avocado is the creamy version of it. Avocados are one of the most complete fat-burning foods you can eat. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that help balance cortisol, your stress hormone. When cortisol spikes, it encourages your body to store fat, especially around your abdomen. By adding avocado daily, half at breakfast, in your salad, or as guacamole, you help lower cortisol and create a hormonal environment that burns, not stores, fat. Plus, they're delicious. And when healthy food tastes good, it's easier to make it a lifestyle. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, try a handful of nuts or seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds are full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats that help control hunger and balance blood sugar. They also contain magnesium, which supports muscle recovery and hormone regulation, both crucial for fat loss. The secret is moderation. About 1 small handful per day, around 30 grams, is enough to give you the benefits without excess calories. And don't fear the fat. The kind found in nuts is the kind that tells your body, we're nourished, we don't need to store more. If there's one drink that deserves the title of natural fat burner, it's green tea. It's rich in catechins, plant compounds that boost metabolism and increase the body's ability to oxidize fat, particularly visceral fat. Green tea also contains a gentle dose of caffeine, which enhances fat burning during exercise. But the secret isn't in drinking 1 cup and expecting miracles. It's in drinking it consistently, 2 to 3 cups a day, ideally between meals. You can enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with lemon. Over time, green tea helps reset your metabolic rhythm and keeps your internal engine burning smoothly. Finally, we reach one of the most underrated fat-burning foods, probiotics, specifically in yogurt and kefir, natural sources of beneficial bacteria that reshape your gut microbiome. Your gut health and your belly fat are deeply connected. An unbalanced microbiome triggers inflammation, slows metabolism, and encourages fat storage. But when you consume probiotics daily, you're literally changing your internal chemistry to favor fat burning over fat storing. Studies show that people who eat fermented dairy daily have less visceral fat and lower waist circumference. Choose unsweetened, natural versions and add some fruit or honey if needed. Here's something powerful. Each of these 10 foods is effective on its own, but together they create a metabolic synergy. The fiber from oats and legumes slows digestion. The antioxidants from berries and greens reduce inflammation. The healthy fats from olive oil, avocado, and nuts improve hormone balance. And probiotics plus omega-3s help heal your gut and lower stress-related fat storage. When you eat this way, whole, natural, consistent, you don't just lose fat. You start to feel different. Your energy rises, your skin clears, your mood stabilizes. Your body becomes efficient again. That's the real magic, not starving yourself or cutting carbs to zero, but feeding your body the right nutrients so it naturally releases the fat it no longer needs. Imagine this. You wake up, pour a glass of water with lemon, and brew a cup of green tea. For breakfast, you prepare oatmeal topped with blueberries, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a spoonful of yogurt. At lunch, you enjoy a spinach and chickpea salad with olive oil and avocado. Dinner, a piece of grilled salmon with sautéed kale and a side of lentils. Before bed, a small cup of kefir. Creamy, light, and full of probiotics. This isn't punishment, it's nourishment. It's a way of living that honors your body instead of fighting it. And when you do this day after day, something shifts. Your belly feels lighter, your energy lasts longer, and your waistline begins to shrink not because of restriction, but because your body finally feels safe to let go. Visceral fat is stubborn, but not imbattable. It's your body's way of saying something inside is out of balance. These 10 foods, eaten every single day, are like nature's way of whispering, let's fix this together. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Because healing your metabolism isn't about speed, it's about rhythm. A daily rhythm that nourishes, calms, and renews you, meal by meal, choice by choice. So next time you sit down to eat, remember, every bite is either feeding the fat or fighting it. Choose the foods that love you back. Your body will thank you, not just on the outside, but deep within, where real health begins.
Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe to our channel, Health and Wellness for All, for more tips and information. See you soon.